in the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Welcome my peeps. Welcome back to another video, you know. Yeah man, today, you know, they're on the weekend. Yeah, banging a go on, is it?
Yeah,
you know?
bang door.
Yeah man, so as you know, we are the mason work I come to an end now, you see me? Yeah man, from where we come cook a pot, you see me? So finally find the time, you see it? So yeah man, I jerk some chicken. You know what I mean? What is the Corey?
Yeah, I'll tune in. Alright.
Yeah man. See that?
Alright. As I was saying,
I chef up some jerk chicken for them, you know?
Yeah. I'm here general chef, you know. You know him already. We want to test him today. We don't know if he's good for the cooking. We taste him and
what do you think so far?
The table look alright. But how the food tastes, that me a worry about.
Alright.
You see me? So when the food done, folks, me here, if it tastes bad, I'm not going to tell a lie and taste the food tastes bad.
Alright.
So if it tastes good, I'm going to say, yeah, jam food tastes good.
Alright.
You ever see it when it done still? I'm a chef.
Alright, yeah man.
That KFC in that taste.
Yeah, KFC.
So like KFC for me is just a spending a change to see some other people walk with a box. Cause when they have the box, you know, people say, why I'm got KFC? So it's kind of a name, you know? In a really
what is it? Hat. In a hat to you?
Yeah, in a hat. Just
this is a hat. This is a hat.
If you say so. If you say so.
Yeah. So that's why I say, oh, you want to tell you, say food tastes good or what? Because it tastes gone.
It tastes gone.
That's what I say, no. Me a link with Ray and him nephew. So two, me a link with them two there. I must have taste today. Because when lick and Ray whenever and him friend lick me.
Lick you?
I have got lick that too.
And then you got one so.
But they say two wing fly out of that when the pot done.
What? What's what?
Wing and fly away. And leg and get up and run.
By the way, peeps, see that place dismantle, you know? But the amount of dust fly when they lick down the wall there, you know, man. One amount of dust fly. You see it? So we have some.
Oh, you give me every number and I give my number. Oh, I'm going to post that. YouTube don't want to see me, alright? I'll go back to it again.
Yeah, so dismantle the place, you know, get them check out from the other day and things. So we just use the opportunity to do some work, you know? Yeah, man. Boy, if you can't up a door, I want to do so much work. See all them reinforcement that we then do behind us. Watch it. Yeah, see that? All of that. I forgot. Things that driving too look nearly night and boom, 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 you're gone.
Takes more than that, yeah?
Hey. So, I'm going to start pan this here now. Yeah. See jerk pan here? See it here? Jerk pan here? I'm going to start pan it right now, you see it? What you saying now you do?
No, don't listen to Eva.
Drink the room,
Eva like talk, I'm a more.
Well, I don't hear you ever say, man.
Eva, no, you don't want to hear nothing.
Let me hear what man say.
That bro, live with it.
What you say, one body?
One piece of body can manage.
No, who can watch it?
And you don't watch it.
Watch it. One finger, watch it.
Not that, steer it. In the right direction, not that boat. Watch it.
Me need you for there.
Head.
You see me? They say when you the end of life, you get successful.
One a sharp piece of boat, because it's too long. You see?
Yeah, you want the short.
You want
I don't want to cut it.
You don't want a tall wood.
No, a sharp wood, yeah, sharp wood.
A short wood. So may I give you a job to give you?
No.
You just give me directly.
You can't
Alright, so right about now, get them chicken here.
Body?
Yeah, man, get the show up on the road, you see it? Yeah, kind of icy still, but I'm going to work with it because we don't have much time. You see me? We don't have much time, so we'll do what we can do, you know?
I want the next shot, boy. I want to have Corey. Repeat that again, Corey. Yeah, I was watching you that practice to cook. Yeah, I was here to practice to cook.
Now follow me, you know. Alone style thing.
Yeah, people. You see what I'm going up here? What are you doing, babe?
Just to start out this marinade, is it?
Babe was chef.
In my kitchen.
Place. In your
kitchen. Yes, in my kitchen.
Wait. Let me give them a good look of you in your kitchen, okay?
Yeah, man.
This is Adrian in his kitchen.
In my kitchen.
Okay?
How we look?
It's a good start, you know?
Yeah.
Future is promising.
Yeah, man. I mean.
Future is promising, you know?
The fire ready. So I'll just rub on them chicken and with us, you know?
I'm going to put your fire. You see the red? Yep. So I'm going to cut up him seasoning them. Chicken clean up. Wash off. And him seasoning over there so.
Yeah, boy, you take it out.
And work at one. See, I'm going to be seasoning. You see where I have already. So you have your thyme, your scallion, you cut up your onion and stuff. We have what else have? Ginger.
Yeah, look at ginger.
Jerk sauce.
And some nutmeg.
Mm-hmm.
You know? And with garlic.
I'm going to start one. Garlic. Pimento. Salt. Yeah, do your thing there. Supposed to be nice.
Have to be.
But then I wash up my belly, people. Turn it on so I can see myself. But then I wash up my belly because, as y'all can see, I come up here and I just come watch and eat. Wait, so babe, is that okay today? I can't take them today though. Yeah, there. Eh? We can't help but hear what going over there so.
If I would acid with that child, I wouldn't be
Instead of put some metal bar in the concrete, drill out some hole and put in the metal bar.
Yeah. So things are going on people. See we have the windows out. This was the kitchen window. So now the window is out and then basically put in metal bar and something there. This is the door. So yeah, next time you see it, you won't be seeing those things, right there? Things are going on. This is what the place is looking like. Okay, everything basically under wraps. So before doing everything we are going, we just up and come and cover up all them stuff here. I don't know if you can see the amount of dust. Yes, let me see.
If you look on this, you notice.
Yeah.
You can write the name. I spell my name, Sean. But see me, man.
Alright, buddy.
We cover up all of it. This is the fridge and
You
the
don't
stools there and stuff.
Turn the very part into the what?
Cover up them there too.
That part I turn to
Turn on the mic.
Hold on.
Remember, I nails up on the wall.
Yeah, but I said not so much clean. You better let turn the part the what? Reason being?
I will move out the room here. Empty out. Empty out the room. Okay, come on. Yeah, but
Turn. Almost smell the gas.
Smell the gas?
so basically packed up everything in this room. Yeah, so what going on babe?
Alright, so I'm about for choice now blender now. I cut up the garlic already. And the ginger. You see me?
Yeah. Wait the people, am I going good? Am I going good? Yeah. Rate him seasoning them in the comments. Tell me if you are going good. Right? Tell me. Look at the seasoning them. See there? Yep, we'll make it dropping up all the seasoning on the chicken.
Instead of use water, just use vinegar.
Really? Come on.
Come on.
You know me love when I eat jerk chicken and I can see and feel and taste the seasoning in it. Yeah, not my life. Good? Good?
Give it a come.
Yeah, so we call us that now, flame up. So that means if you don't use a knife, you can use a blender, get it seasoning faster, that way the onion, pepper, everything like that. Not true?
It marinate faster plus more juices.
So
more the flavor getting nice.
See the look right now upon the chicken, it look like, they call it Jew plum. Blender mix. You know, see Jew plum color it up.
Yeah. Green.
Put your hand in there, man.
Yeah, prepare that.
I'm not put no pepper cause it's spicy. It's spicy.
That is spicy. That is spicy for real. For real.
In fact, I have to go jerk like 2 pieces different for Kyrie.
Yeah.
Because this is very spicy. This is a spicy one, hot and spicy.
Yeah.
You know?
Show them spicy too.
Kyrie, don't do that spicy thing. Nah. If him taste that,
I eat that.
and if him tongue start burning, may see him go,
That's it.
him done now. Not more. Like you can't, it doesn't matter if you change what you're giving him. Him does not
I
eat
eat no more.
Not eat no more. So there you go, baby. There you go. Watch him. He's putting his hand into it. You know,
Yeah.
you have to make him show you what he can do now. But Adrian, you never promised me to give me some lamb and them something there and ting and
Yeah. That did for go on.
I want to hear this, you know.
A good one.
Yeah.
A good one, man. Yeah. All purpose.
We are careful, sire.
Just a little.
Move it. The thing I'm going to go now, you don't put it
Where? Hurry up, put it. You know the pepper there, so.
Yeah, we're going to chicken though, baby.
Water, some hungry now as well.
Right.
Pepper.
So, if you don't have enough time, in terms of time on the clock, for marinate the chicken, you know, when you blend up the season and rub it in, you get the thing, you know, the flavor them infused nice, that's it. Yeah, man.
I like that. Someone that need the skin and all them ways there.
Ready?
What are you drinking?
Heineken.
Oh my god, is that the zero one?
That's not the alcohol, like the girls drink them there. You know I drink with the big boys.
Couple percent, you know?
Yeah, you see, you know I go with the big boys. You know I drink with the big boys.
take away and drink over this one.
Oh, yeah, that's like why I catch up for cook the pot.
So Corey, oh you must have drink them something there now.
I give me the vibes, man.
Give me the vibes?
It's like Popeye with a sensamine, you know? When Popeye eat that green city there, see him get
You
strength.
don't send some in that.
Wait, guys.
Spinach.
Spinach, this is my spinach.
And you're spinning this, don't you think it's gonna strength, you know?
Yeah, man, all the fast strength to me. Really fast strength, see there? Spinach. See there? I really and him nephew were parried, you know? So him man, boom me up. So if you want to boom the whole place for your work, we recommend you this. But if you all you can't too drink this door, you know? But when you want it, the old man drinks it and catch up. Put it back in a motion.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to do work, don't take Corey advice, yeah?
Alright,
take him advice.
don't take me up on the board, yes, you Mary. Fly.
So we just want put in it, babe.
The teriyaki.
Teriyaki. Okay, you see my man, you know? Let's see. And if you think I'm going to be seasoned and spicy, babe.
Where? You brush your teeth? No, go on, man, bro. Watch out.
Can we take two camera?
Where? Put on.
Ready now to pour concrete in, so them gonna mix. You know? I mix when I mix already the next window.
Yeah, but I want just the next one.
Oh.
Not even cast.
Okay.
So I'm out of fun. Can I go to chip off and chip off?
Yeah, and dress also. See that? I'm gonna pour it through right there, so fill out that space with concrete. You know?
Smell it, man. Smell it from way out there.
What you smell?
I smell your jerk going, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got some utensils.
Yeah, thanks. We left them there.
Yeah, a piece.
Alright. Thank you. Yeah, man. It smell it, the man smell good.
Smell it, man. It's
Go on.
hungry. You're making me hungry. Hungry. I got to on it. Small one with it. Hey, my man think you want the jerk style, you know. Me set you up, you know. Me set you up, man, and give you everything what you need, man. Oh, Jesus. God is good. All the time. God is good. Me set you up, you know. Look on this. Let me for drink. I'm for drink. I'm asking. I'm for drink.
You can drink boom, babe.
And I disrespect this.
You can drink boom.
No. Huh?
I'm sorry.
You have to get something
that
for me,
was
though.
bad. That was a big boo-boo. That was a blunder.
You have to get something for me, and you see what I mean? You have to go start that
Alright,
out.
man, go get you something.
Yes, yes. Can you imagine?
You want something strong?
Nutrient dense. Something nutrient dense.
Alright.
You can get me a power malt. Yo, did I tell y'all the drama between power malt, how we met? So I actually bought a power malt when I was pregnant, and we were waiting on our maternity visit, so our gynae visit, and we went and we got one. You see me drink the power malt? Kyrie put on some piece of kicking.
Yeah, remember.
You remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Kyrie kick him like the boy that calm and
Like you must have rotted, what is?
you see when me drink that? As someone knows that anything you eat, your baby get it and then get it in as soon as it go in your bloodstream, boom, it lick him.
Yeah, man, for real. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Kyrie kick one piece of kicking.
Yeah.
And I think at the first him really a kick, so you know.
He was aggressive.
Yeah, he like kick boom.
And then another gynae visit now, it was after work. So you know, I'm kind of tired and stuff, and I did eat in the day, but it was like far from me, it was like about dinner time. So you know the food we eat kind of energy kind of low, right? So I went to the gynae visit, she was using her ultrasound, so I was like, how come she's not kicking like before? Cause Carrie's a mover, man. So she was like, how come she's not kick as much? And she's like, hey, what's up? Why you not kicking so much? No energy. I'm gonna buy one power malt. You see after that? Him kick for her, you see? Him give her some kick. It does hear boop, 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 boop. Like power malt is the real deal.
Yeah, man, for
Real deal. So what you doing now?
There. Chicken a go on. do your thing, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
If I give him a little pan and put him up on the street, I'm going to solicit some funds for me to get cooking, okay?
Yeah, so we dig out the window. Yeah, man, so them dress it up, them do him leveling for putting the material.
Then I put him in board them to go, you know? Okay.
I mean, to grab no one, yeah? No, I don't ever.
Are you?
Yeah.
You say you're going with things, Corey?
Me, I go with things long term.
You say Everton, not true?
Yeah, we just not show up.
Going with yourself, yeah, Corey?
Corey or something else.
So guys, I don't know
Exact
if you remember, but this was actually a blank wall. And the AC there right there, so. This was actually a blank wall. So Mr. Everton lick it out, we are going to replace the window right here. So there's a window in this room. The window was over that side. So that window is basically removed and put right here, so you can get the sunlight from outside.
And the breeze too.
And the breeze and everything you want. If you want.
To be honest, most of the time the window is closed. People don't really open this window.
Yeah, yeah.
They just use AC, you know?
Yeah, true.
But if you want,
You talk,
option is there.
Yeah,
if you want, the option is there.
yeah.
Why you don't have AC there?
Yeah, not true. You don't need no
AC,
window.
have AC. If you want music out the door, the pot's in the road or something.
But yeah, this is how I go on today, you know? Yeah. You see the window them start out and all these things. This is the window I was talking about was replaced, so yeah. Well, sizzling again. Sizzling. Ooh, that gets color. That come peeps. It's a come.
So there, you know.
Yeah.
I make a little YouTube video, you see me?
Heineken chicken I eat today, folks. Come to Jamaica if you want Heineken chicken. Yeah? Put camera from Heineken chicken, you see? Big chef, John. I recommend to KFC next year, you see me? KFC can't only promote them now. You have jerk right there, but without the pork yet. Next time I have pork, you know.
No pork, man. No pork.
Oh, I love pork.
No pork.
This is Jennifer.
We should have
make gravy now? Or the sauce?
the way call that thing, the glaze.
Glaze?
We should have the brush.
Oh, I should have.
I want to get the brush.
Yeah.
I'm going to work out something.
Hey! Chef Adrian is great. Step it up.
Yeah, man.
Yum.
Can I see a cycle? How much Martin?
I'm just kind of glaze it a little bit. Get a little coating, you know?
Yeah. Come on, Corey, over here. Ready for the food, yo? And I want to taste it. I want to taste it, man. Yeah. Yep. Sauce on and all these things.
Don't spoil it, no worry.
Fanning the flames, man.
Kind of sound bad. Fan the flames there, my baby.
every younger them used to always say, never blow hair with dead. Is that like a real thing? Like
Never blow hair with dead, me never hear that one yet.
Not dead, deaf.
Deaf?
Like them say when they try to blow fire.
Eh?
You're dead.
Never hear that yet.
Is that a real thing, people? I just want country saying my mother there. My mother have enough country saying you know. Then look at this contraction. See the contraction? So this is the door. This was the door that was right here, in your face. And this was the kitchen window. So, yeah, you look. Place a look different, you know? Place a look different. Hey guys, today you have to go and improvise. You have to cover up the AC so I can just plus up go open it. Because listen, you see the more things dirty and you know the more cleaning you have to do. And worse, you see them electronics up there, you see when they flash dirt and water and sometimes it might seem like nothing wrong, but then afterwards a pure problem. You know, babe? So before, when put this on. So before, we had a door here, right? Now the door gone.
Yeah.
So that one little change opens up this entire area so much. You know why? Because the door was there before, so we had to always keep that space free.
True, yeah.
For you to walk through the door.
Yeah.
But now that no door is there, the fridge can move from off this wall and come right here.
Yeah.
And we still have space for the
and we can utilize here a little bit more.
Yes.
We can utilize here a bit more. In fact, now the bin will be there, so we probably can't really put
the fridge can still be here.
Put the fridge there and put the bin over here, so.
The bin can probably just be in this space and then the fridge just them inside it because the bin is small.
Okay, yeah, but more space. Overall, we have more space, can do more. Can decorate the wall a little bit and then we can wear that too.
Yes.
Corey! There, Corey.
Corey, alright, man.
Every time
I'm alone, huh?
it's going over love age relationship for one.
Where? I have the book that one in Brazil.
Come on, Corey. What's your brother?
Well, man, don't forget, man. Not too bad, man. Show me, man.
You know, what look for you.
God. A full time, they don't. When you eat, Corey, when you eat?
I'm done cast.
When you done fully cast?
I'm done cast.
You're almost done still, oh?
Yeah, man, I'm done. Come on.
So this is finished. The window around there is also finished. So just the door space I left to complete, you know? Yeah. Yeah, done.
Hey guys, so this is it there now. Almost done. They're doing the doors now.
Food time! Yeah!
Hey guys,
Food
so
time!
a lot of unwanted visitors here.
So some go fly about the place, so things said.
Can't get there now.
Our makeshift kitchen.
Agent makeshift kitchen. If I can't cook, you have to do. Here you go. There you go.
You say that on me?
So, ask me what I chicken
I'm ready. Yeah guys, see it yeah? Yeah man. Deli kitchen, you know?
Deli's kitchen.
Deli's kitchen.
Why is that name already?
Yes man, I mean.
You heard it here first,
Deli's
guys.
kitchen.
Deli's kitchen.
Yes. See that?
Oh, this are the Kyrie.
No, not that one already.
Kyrie, something going on already? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Side jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Is it?
Oh,
That one.
Adrian jerk, you know?
Come here, Kyrie.
Can we help you? Yes.
Hey, Ben Foot them. Hey, Ben Foot boy. What's up? Come here. Hey, Kyrie, come here, Kyrie. Come. Come. Come here. Come here, my boy.
Always so
Come here, my boy.
apprehensive.
You afraid of grass? You afraid of grass?
Yeah, he's apprehensive against any form of ground that he doesn't
Yeah.
know.
Come here, turn around.
Which I guess it's good. At least you know, say him not gonna run nowhere and mash up all of a sudden.
Ah.
He's cautious, you know.
All right, here you go. Take him. Take your boy.
Come here, my boy.
What's that about?
Yay! People may bring crowd, see that? Our crowd may bring. Come just need to taste Adrian's jerk chicken. Of course, I've eaten Adrian's jerk chicken before, and it was good. So, may I look forward to that one there because you see the seasoning and all them good things there. So, yeah.
All right, we dig in.
Yeah.
The man them done work. And I make sure them done them work before them take on the food as eat. So everything cast up here now. So tomorrow we're gonna pull down and dress up. You know, so I eat that. This is no more window in the door. Yeah.
Put on this my Kyrie to right there, so. My Kyrie to right there.
I'm all pretty and I'll dig in myself too.
That's how I was young, man.
I eat more than I say.
Sorry.
You need specific things, man.
What? Oh, put that in, that's it.
You know? What you pushing your finger for? What I want to celebrate?
We say,
What I want to celebrate? You're not eating that. Take it. Yeah man, eat up my boy, eat up. How's it babe?
I'm going to dig in now.
Oh God. Oh God.
Tastes good?
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Tastes good, people. Tastes good.
Good,
Yeah.
good. Not that me expect otherwise. Come on, my turn now. See him there? Watch him. Watch him.
Kai Kai, why are you waking up so much dirt?
You go.
Come.
See it yeah?
Good?
Where come on?
Good? Kyrie, I celebrate with you. See Kyrie, they sit down on the milk block. Hey Kyrie? Hey Kai. I do really correct, but I'm not again. I'm not to get up. Kyrie?
Hi.
Good job. It's spicy.
No, that one. Not that bad.
Remember, the spice will come through. You want to take one little bite here, one little bite here. Their people to go on.
Hello? Dry. Yeah, man. The first taste, man.
That's some plate, yeah? Like KFC, I say it tastes like KFC.
It's better than KFC, man. What you say?
Let me see what I go on in, I say if I boss you, that's how it tastes. Your family can't let you hungry.
So what do you eat? Is it?
It's not been bad now with you.
Yeah.
So we're going.
Now there, jerk up some chicken, full of pipe on the side. You know? The work might hard, but they don't know. Have to make it nice, you see it?
Fresh.
Yeah. So I think set, man.
Fresh, man.
Yeah.
Measure the second gun.
Corvex. Corvex.
So come around that man, I'll just him that.
So I'm still alright. Yeah. Tell me, can I start my business?
That's that something.
Roll out the jerk pan and say, hey, quarter chicken expensive there. Yeah, business. Some people say quarter chicken for now, you know? $800 for a quarter chicken.
What?
What you say, man?
So much for pork.
Right now, pork can come like it cheaper. Right now, pork come like it cheaper. Probably as
No pork.
8 bills. Probably about the same.
Yeah.
8 years 24. Less. 16 bills for a quarter, for a pound of pork now to 80, yeah? But chicken, 8 bills a quarter, so that's 2,400 for a whole of chicken. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's there, man. It's there.
I'm not saying the pork, yeah.
You know?
So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the Del Pat family. You know, I saw somebody yesterday, and he was saying, you know, a long time in a year from Muno, you know. I was like, did you turn on that post notification bell?
Exactly.
If you don't turn it on, you're not going to see us.
As a YouTube stay, them show
So
where you want to show.
exactly, even if you're subscribed, alright?
True.
So subscribe first, then turn on your post notification bell. That means to hit the bell with the icons at the side. Alright?
Yes.
So that tells you every time we post a video.
Yeah, man.
Right?
Here we out, guys. Peace.